everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $365 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. I already did my wallet. My wallet's getting its usual amount, which is $170. So the breakdown of that is in spending, I'm putting $30. Eating out will get $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and buffer $10. So that is $170 right in my wallet. Okay, so that leaves me with $195. I need to make that stretch. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do a savings challenge first. Just to get it out of the way, let's see what I roll. I'm gonna roll twice on this one. Get a little sticky note. Okay, so dice. Okay, so rolling twice. This is a summer challenge that I made for my patrons. So if you're interested in this challenge, it's available as a download over there. All right, so we have 5 and 4. 5 and 4, which is the watermelon slice. So that is $2. And then last roll, 5 and 4. Okay, so I got the same thing, $2. So that is a total of $4 for this challenge. Oops, $4 for this challenge. So that's Hello Summer 4. Okay, so that one is done. Let me put this back before I lose it. All right, so do I want to do any other challenge? No, we'll see what I have left if I can do other challenges. I mean, I do have some leftover money in my wallet. This money is going to go like this envelope, eating out, coffee. I actually have some leftover this week, shocking. And buffer are going to go into savings challenges. So I do have some money that I could put towards savings from those envelopes. Okay, so let's go into my wallets or my binders now. First up is the black binder. We have auto. Actually need an oil change soon. My light is turning on, warning me. So I'm going to do auto, and then I'm going to do extra savings, which will get 10. And then a month ahead will get 10. And subscriptions. Do I need to keep making this a priority? Hold on. I don't think I do. I think I don't need to. I'm just gonna leave that one because I already have what I need for this month for my subscription. So I don't think I have a subscription due for a bit. So I'm gonna check on the date, but for this week, I'm gonna keep it not a high priority. And then in here, I'm gonna do Christmas 10. I like to get these higher ones out of the way first. And 155. Okay, I think that's it for now. All right, now I'm just probably gonna put 5s. The 10s might go into some envelopes. It's just right now, I wanted to get those out of the way first. Okay, so electronics is just gonna get 5. I like to put something in. I don't know, did I just mess up? Hold on. I like to put at least 5 into each envelope. I could put less, but I try to get 5. Hold on, sorry. 170, 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, and 4. 146. All right, so okay, I already did that one. I think I'm messing myself up. Emergency is getting, I'll put 5 in there. I did that one. Furniture will get 5. Rainy day will get 5. Registration 5. Oh, road trip. I'll put 10. Scentsy 5. did that one. Oh no, I didn't, sorry. Subscriptions 5. I'm just used to being a high priority. And travel 5. Okay. Next binder up. I'm gonna do this one. 100. I think I should be good. Okay, so Disneyland. I just went to Disneyland yesterday and I spent all my money in here. I had 50 bucks. I might go next weekend just because the weather seems a little bit nicer because we're getting into summer. It's gonna start getting unbearable there. And I want to get as many good day trips over there as I can without feeling like I'm gonna melt. So next week looks pretty good. I don't know, if it changes I might not go, and then the following week I'm not sure yet weather-wise if I'm going. But I only have $0. I have nothing in here because I spent everything. But I might go next weekend. Nah, I'm gonna put 5. It's not a huge priority. I do want to do treat yourself with 10. Okay, fun 5. Hobbies. What do I have in hobbies? Oh, I have $11. Okay, we'll do 5. I want to put 10 because I've been having fun with some hobbies and I wanted to maybe bump this up maybe later. Okay, holiday decor, I'm putting 5. I actually spent from this envelope yesterday at Disneyland. I found another ornament. I have a Christmas tree that I put in my office and it's all Disney ornaments that I get at the Disney parks. So that's my like requirement. It has to come from the parks. So I used this yesterday. I found an ornament. It's really cute with Mickey. Tires is fully funded at 600, so I don't have to worry about that one. Okay. Next binder. Beauty is getting 45. I actually don't have 45 in here because I need to unstuff this. And yeah, I already spent it. I just haven't unstuffed it. So technically, just doing my math in my head, I think I spent 40 bucks, 35 to 40 bucks on nail stuff. So I should have about at least $5 in this envelope technically. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 65. Okay, I'm just gonna put 5. It is what it is. Clothing is getting 5. Costco is not getting anything because I just felt like I didn't need to put, I don't plan on going to Costco this week. It's getting a little leftover money. I only go to Costco a few times, like every 2 to 3 weeks, if that. So I don't need to go there. Family, I'm putting 5. Oh, gifts. I forgot this is supposed to be a high priority. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is getting 10. Home is getting 5. Household is getting 5. Pantry. Oh, I spent from pantry. I bought some butter. So this is getting 5. Target is getting 5. That leaves me with 26. Let's see what I can do with that in my savings. Okay, I'm going to first do this $5 challenge. So I'll do one of these. 5 in this one. Treat yourself. Okay, 10. I think I could put 10 in this challenge because this is a $10 challenge. Each of these are 10. So I'll put 10 in this one. That's cash dash 1. Oh, no. I'm gonna do 5. I'm gonna do 5, sorry. Because I forgot about 100 envelope. Envelopes gonna get 5. Again, leftover money from my wallet is going into these challenges, so they will get bumped up a little bit, so that's good. 100 envelope will get 5. Just trying to get something in everyone. Cash dash 2. So that is this one, which these are $2 each. So I'm going to put 4 in this challenge. Yeah. And then the $2 in the dollar challenge. Okay, hopefully I didn't mess up my math. I think last week I messed up my math. I was $10 off, so I'm hoping I didn't do that. Honestly, if I did make that mistake again, I'll probably just add to my total, just because I don't want to pick and choose which one to deduct from. And I do have money in the bank that is not going towards this cash dash. It's not like this is all the money I have in my checking. So I do have a buffer amount in there just to keep me, yeah, just to have money in there for what I need to use my card and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna add up all these and see if this is correct. Again, if it's not, I'll adjust it, and then I can move on to figuring out the denominations. This time I was spot on. Perfect. Didn't mess up, even though I seriously thought I was messing up over there. Okay, so now I can figure out the denominations. Lots of 10s and 5s. So Otto's getting a 10, then 5, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5. I mean, it does make it easy to do the cash plan when it's all basically 2 different denominations over and over again. Okay, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 5. Oh, a bunch of 5s here, actually. Okay, and then we got $4 for Cash Dash 2, 4 for Hello Summer, 5, 5, and 2. All right, now I'm gonna add these all up. So 50, I have 1, 20, 3, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 5s. And then 1s, I have 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 10, 4, 15. Did I say 14 or 15? I wrote 15. 8, 10, 15. Okay, now I'm gonna multiply these numbers so that way I can get the total of everything. So 50 times 1 is 50, 3 times 20 is 60, 12 times 10 is 120, 24 times 5 is 120, and then 15. I feel like I had 120 on both of those. Oh no, I did. I had 24 5s. I feel like I've been getting that a lot. Oh no, I'm just thinking. Okay, so then 50, 60, 120, 120, and 15 is 365. All right, so that's correct. And then I'm just gonna write out all of this, all the totals. So 50 times 1 is $50. 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 12 is 120. 5 times 24, 120. 1 times 15 is 15. And that is a total of 365. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the bank today. Oh, it's been so nice because the bank now stays open a little bit later. So I think now they stay open until 2. Before it used to be noon. So now it's 2, which has been nice because I was always rushing to get over there. And so now I have a little bit more time, which is lovely. And I can sleep in a little bit later if I want to, but I don't know. I always film this video the day I'm going to go cash plan or get money out for this cash stuffing. It's Saturday morning, basically. And then I'll try to edit it too, which takes a bit to upload and process over on YouTube and doing all that, and then wait for it to be published, and then I'll go to the bank. So that's why it takes me more time. But I stopped doing that. I'll film this and then I'll go to the bank and then come back and edit. So that way I'm not having to rush. I don't know why I was doing that before. I think because I was trying to get the video out early in the morning, but I feel like it's fine. It works better for my schedule. So hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out my next video, which will be the cash stuffing. At least my next budget video will be cash stuffing. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.